Workload analysis from Idera helps to identify where issues exist and then drill down specifically to periods of latency and correlate all of the contributing factors to establish the root cause. Users will know immediately what databases are processing, be able to drill into the statements, and receive actionable advice. It fits into the overall Idera dashboard, which is a central portal for multiple Idera tools, including security, backup, BI, and inventory management. Launching the Workload Analysis tool will present a consolidated view of various key performance indicators according to a configurable span of time. Here the last day's worth of collected data is displayed, but we can see longer or shorter periods of time by clicking the corresponding buttons. Where there are noticeable spikes in terms of the system performance, we can drill into a more detailed perspective. To drill in further, a band can be drawn around the problematic zone, which in turn reassesses the contributing factors from that time, for example, the impact in terms of queries, CPU, and lock weights. Clicking a link identifies the queries, the corresponding users, and application detail, and for how long the issue persisted for any given category. Backing out to the time frame previously selected will show user-specific information, identifying where the user was accessing the system from, other associated statements, and even the ability to cycle through additional users. Selecting the top SQL statements will again drill into more specific query information and identify detail including what specifically are the heaviest operators per query and what percentage of the execution time they consume, and even break down the execution plan to show the specific components in the associated cost to performance. The example shown illustrates a heavily nested statement with many factors contributing to the overall performance. From the top level, components are configurable and panels can be manipulated to highlight and focus on areas of concern. It's often useful to have things that matter to you prominent in the user interface. In this example, I can pull the detail from the noisy applications into focus and start to drill into the impact they had at that time, again consolidating all of the key performance indicators. If you'd like to know more, you can download a trial from our website www.idera.com and also visit us at community.idera.com.